And I know what you're saying. I've made the same observation. The way they describe it is almost like racism is omnipresent.
Yes, it's omnipresent force.
It is the driving force within the world, and we all are at its mercy, right? There is no force to overcome it, right? And I get what you're saying. I've seen that mentality.
see young men that think like that. So what's the point? So even when you bring the gospel to them, well, I can't do anything anyway because of the man. It's always this, they use this term, the man. And this, I know what they mean because I used to see it. It's this white guy sitting somewhere and he's just like controlling, blocking doors. And this is what I'm telling you. So if that is the system, then I can leave Fairfield tomorrow because it's done. It's no need in telling these black guys that they can get married, raise their families, be who God has called them to be, because I have no way, Monique or Crystal, of how to eradicate a system that I can't even see.
But think about it like this. It's the system is so powerful that not even God and his sovereignty can overcome it. But we can overcome it if we just do the work. Right? So right, it's not even on God, like the power of God. This thing is so powerful that even he can't overcome it. But we can, because we just have to be activists.
Yes, and that's where the money is.
Yeah,
it's this utopian idea that the human effort can somehow usher in the kingdom. And the other thing that struck me just now, thanks to your conversation, is it's such a first world Christian conversation, right? Because you think about the church universal, you think about the church in hard countries, and they're looking at us like, you guys are crazy. you know, it's like it's like we're at risk of imprisonment or death for our faith. And that's systemic in those countries.
Yeah.